Before you plan your next road trip, make sure Michigan is on your list. This state is packed with stunning views, quiet campgrounds, and unique towns perfect for camper van travel. In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best places to visit in Michigan, from massive dunes to remote forests, and give you tips on where to park, what to do, and where to eat. Let's dive in. Our first stop is Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore. This area is known for its giant sand dunes and amazing views of Lake Michigan. You can hike the Empire Bluff Trail, which gives you a great overlook of the lake, or spend some time kayaking or relaxing on the beach. There's also Sleeping Bear Point Trail, which is a couple-mile loop hike, or just hike in about a quarter of a mile and then you can head down to the beach. This is what I did. You can see the hike is great and the views are stunning. Lake Michigan is unbelievable. Another amazing place is the Pierce Stocking Scenic Drive. This is probably a 20 to 30 minute drive through forests with stops along the way to look at sand dunes, Glen Lake, and Lake Michigan. Again, the views here are incredible, as you can see. You can also check out Glen Haven Historic Village and hit Glen Haven Beach if you want a little history or to just hang out at the beach. A good place to spend the night is the Platte River Campground. It's quiet, surrounded by nature, and has easy access to the dunes. For food, stop at Arch Tavern in Glen Arbor. It's a laid-back local spot that's been around for years. If you want to try something unique to Michigan, check out Cherry Republic, which serves all kinds of cherry-based food, snacks, and drinks. Next up is Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore, located along the shores of Lake Superior. This spot is best known for its colorful cliffs and waterfalls that flow straight into the lake. You can take a boat tour to see the cliffs from the water, or hike the Chapel Loop if you prefer to explore on foot. Miners Beach is also a nice, quiet place to stop and take in the view. A solid place to stay is Munising Tourist Park Campground. It's right on the lake and perfect for watching sunsets from your camper. This is where we stayed and loved it. We were able to walk right through a little path, 20 feet to Lake Superior. It was great. For food, try Tracy's at Rome Inn if you're in the mood for a more upscale meal, or grab something casual and relaxed at Duck Pond Eatery and Beer Garden. Mackinac Island is different from anywhere else in Michigan. No cars allowed. Park the camper on the mainland and take a ferry to the island. Once you're there, you can rent a bike, walk around the island, or visit Fort Mackinac to learn some history. Don't leave without trying the fudge, which the island is famous for. For camping, Mackinac Mill Creek Camping in Mackinac City is a great place to stay. It has views of the Mackinac Bridge and easy access to the ferry. While on the island, you can eat at the Grand Hotel if you want a formal meal in a historic setting. For something more relaxed, the Pink Pony is a popular spot right on the water. Traverse City is located on the shore of Grand Traverse Bay and is a great mix of small town and beach destination. As you can see, the views of the bay are stunning, and it goes on for miles. Clinch Park is a nice spot to go for a walk or relax by the water. Traverse City is also wine country, so you can take a tour or visit one of the many local wineries, and the downtown area has unique shops, restaurants, and bars you could definitely sink a full day into. Traverse City State Park is a convenient campground just across the street from the beach and close to downtown. For food, Trattoria Stella is a popular place for Italian dishes made with local ingredients. It's one of the many businesses in the old state hospital, which is now Grand Traverse Commons. The place is pretty cool if you have some time to spend out there. If you want more variety, head to the Little Fleet, a group of rotating food trucks with outdoor seating. Our last stop is Porcupine Mountains Wilderness State Park, also known as the Porkies. This area in the western Upper Peninsula is more remote and quiet. It's great for hiking, especially the Escarpment Trail, which is one of the best views in Michigan at Lake of the Clouds. It's also a good place for stargazing and checking out waterfalls like Bond Falls. Union Bay Campground is the best option for parking your camper van here. It's right on Lake Superior and has electric hookups. If you're hungry, stop at Sills Cafe in Ontonagon for simple, filling meals. Another option is the Conteka Black Bear Resort, which offers food and sometimes has bear sightings right outside the windows. And that's it. That wraps up our list of top 5 camper van destinations in Michigan. Each one offers something different, whether it's hiking, beaches, small towns, or great views. And I included links in the description below to a lot of these places. So thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow traveler. See you next time.